In this assignment, we'll talk about the Type tool, what a serif and a sans serif is, how to manipulate the type with the character and paragraph panels, and typography hierarchy in a design. In this lesson, you'll learn about the Type tool. Download the magazine template from the assignment, and in the toolbox is the horizontal Type tool. Let's select that. At the top of Photoshop is an option bar. Whenever you click on a new tool, the option bar changes to go with that new tool. On the Type tool, we have an area here to select a certain font for your type. In this drop-down, you can select regular, italic, bold, or bold italic. In this drop-down, you can work with the size of the type. In this area, you have left align, center align, and right align. This is where you set the color of your type. I don't use these icons very much, but I use all of these options and this option right here. This lesson will continue in the next video.